Security features of the AVW 400. The AVW 400 has a number of security features to deter vandalism, reduce burglaries, and eliminate coin shrinkage due to misappropriated collections. Burglary protection. The AVW 400 has the ability to detect a burglary in process through a number of options. Temperature sensing. We can strongly discourage an intruder attempting to use an acetylene cutting torch to gain access to the coin box by installing an optional temperature thermistor to the AVW 400. The picture on the screen shows the temperature thermistor. The idea would be to mount the thermistor inside the coin box and run the thermistor cable up through the coin drop and plug the connector into the AVW 400. Once installed, the AVW 400 will constantly monitor the temperature inside the coin box. A trigger temperature around 150 degrees would be set in the AVW 400 controller. If the temperature in the coin box exceeds the specified temperature, the AVW 400 would immediately send out emergency calls to appropriate personnel, including a security firm or police station, stating that a burglary is in process. The message would be sent from our management system to iPhones, fax machines, etc., that a burglary is in process. At the same time, the AVW 400 would immediately sound a local built-in alarm, flash all lights on the machine, and display calling police. We would report to all called parties that there is a burglary in process, give the address and time of the intrusion, as well as the inside temperatures of the coin box and housing. We have two built-in backup batteries inside the AVW 400 to guarantee that we will send the intrusion alarm even if the AC power source to the machine is cut off. We have the ability to track and operate the electronics up to 1 week in absence of external AC power. This also gives us the ability to track the machine using GPS technology if the intruder steals the entire machine. See the picture. High impact sensor. The AVW 400 also has an option, the ability to determine if the machine is turned over or impacted with blunt force. It activates the same sequence of events as the high temperature alarm. Drilling. In addition, we also have the ability as an option to sense drilling in sensitive areas, which also would activate the alarm process.
In the current mode, it is displaying the digital pricing. Insert $1 for 1 minute. With this feature, you don't have to have pricing on the label, and therefore if you make a pricing change, you can download that electronically and not have to change the label on the machine in the field. You can do that at any time. You have a free tire pressure check. And the unit will recognize the tire pressure and change the display. And then it will go back to the pricing. Okay. Currently the display is showing the digital pricing, $1 for 1 minute. And while the digital pricing is being displayed, you still get a free tire pressure check. In this case, the tire is 28 pounds. After it finishes with the reading, it goes back to the digital pricing. So now we'll do a coin VIN to add air to the tire. And you notice that it's displaying the credit, the amount of money being deposited. Once we reach the VIN, we'll select air. The display shows the set point at 32 psi, and it updates the pressure as it increases. Now we can drop the pressure, show it deflating the tire.
About the timer. It's allowed to run until.
Okay.
It
Now
does-
that the VIN is complete, you'll notice that it times out and goes back to the digital pricing. Before doing a credit card VIN, we'll check the pressure in the tire. And, this does not require any money. It's a free pressure check. It's indicating 27 psi tire pressure. And now we'll do a credit card VIN. It'll ask us to select air or vac, press a button. It's authorizing the card. Turns the machine on. Leave the default pressure at 32 psi for the set point. Note that the pressure is increasing as it reaches the set point. This is the Air Valet air vac machine. We created a front panel for it, for the Protel Digital Air, a mechanical coin mech, and Protel card reader. On the back side, you can see it's a modular design. It can be installed, assembled separately, and then installed on the machine. We do the same with the back plate. It can be pre-assembled with the Protel 400, the Digital Air manifold, and also a Protel compressor.